Kamusta mga idol? Magandang araw. Narito na ang laban ng ating kababayan na si Dexter Iraya. Naka white trunks mga idol. Ang kalaban niya dito ay isang Chinese boxer na si Carlo Ching. Naka black trunks with white. Ayan, itong si Dexter Iraya mga idol ay tubong Santo Niño sa Western Samar. Ayan, ito ang kanilang bakbakan mga idol. Ating panuorin. Mga malalaking mama po itong nagsusuntukan mga idol. Ito po ay sa super middleweight. Isang 4 na round na bakbakan po ito.
Boxer from Hong Kong, China. Oh, that left to the body connect by Araya. Oh, ang ganda ng patama ni Araya. He is trying to test the body of Cheng. Overhand by Cheng. Deflected by Araya. Medyo nice body by Araya. Ang medyo ayoko lang na ginagawa ni Dexter, masyadong mababa yung ano niya, yung depensa niya. Kailangan na, sabi nga nila, protect yourself at all time. Medyo pag tinamaan ka ng isang hagupit nitong Chinese na to, medyo iindahin mo din, of course. Nice exchange of punches for the two boxers. Again, that body flurry by Araya did connect on the 4 rounds po to, 4 na rounds pong magtutunggal itong dalawang mga manlalarong mandirigma. Nakikita natin yung boksingero ng pang Hong Kong, talagang bato-bato din no? So that left to the body by Cheng did connect. Isang Pilipino at isang Chinese Kung tawagin nila to yung mga added attraction yung mga ito yung mga lumalabas minsan magagandang mga laban. Tsaka malalaking timbang, which is very rarely dito sa Pilipinas. Round number 2 na between Araya, who is sporting the white trunks, against the boxer from Hong Kong, China, Cheng, who is wearing the black and white trunks. So far, medyo even-steven pa yung round number 1 You could never tell kung sino yung nakakuha ng round number 1 sa mga tingin ng mga judges. So we'll see how round number 2 will be done by these two boxers Mabilis ang mabilis din ang hand speed nitong Araya. I think he must maximize that speed. Medyo may konting gulang yung ginawa ni Araya using his shoulder. Pumasok yung he did hit with that to the body. Hindi natin alam kung pinapagod niya yung kalaban niya Chinese or what. But since round number 1 naman pinupuntirya ni Araya yung katawan ni Cheng. So we will definitely see if that will affect so far, poker face yung bisita natin from Hong Kong, China. Talagang he means business in the ring. Kasi hindi rin pwedeng laruin ng boxing. Baka it's a very very dangerous sports to start with. So right now he is trying to accelerate his punches at the middle part of round number 2. So malalaman natin kung may sagot si Dexter Araya sa magagandang patama ni Cheng. Pero tumama rin si Dexter ng magandang isang suntok sa katawan. We are 25 seconds left on round number 2. 4 na round lang po tayong yung katawan is a constant punch na tumatama for Dexter Araya. So, but 10 seconds of round number 2. We'll see. Middleweight contest between Dexter Araya of the Philippines against Carl Lok Cheng of Hong Kong, China. Tumama ng flurry yung si Cheng. Siguro ang instruction ng corner ni Cheng is damihan pa yung suntok na binabato niya, which is ginagawa niya to start round number 3. Hindi ko nabanggit, the third man in the ring is Don Arguelles. Overhand connected for Cheng. So far wala pang answer si Araya dito sa round number 3. Sabi ka kasi, it's all business for this boxer from Hong Kong. Yun mga pinakakawalan ni Cheng, that's all scoring punches. Ang boxing is a matter of scoring. If you score more punches, siguro sa tingin ng mga judges, you're winning the fight. At ang boxing is hindi porma-pormahan lang. It's a matter of scoring and inflicting damage sa kalaban mo. So we'll see how this contest will transpire in the eyes of the judges. That left jab did connect by Cheng again. Araya did connect to the head, to the body. Bumalik naman yung Cheng ng dalawa niyang power punches. 40 seconds left on round number 3. There's a possibility na umabot sa full route itong laban na to. We'll see. It will be very, very interesting kung pumunta tayo sa decision. How would the judges see this fight? Yung bang showmanship ni Dexter Araya ang mas matimbang sa kanila? O yung mas decisive na mga pasuntok ni Cheng? We'll see. As we go 10 seconds of round number 3. Umaatake yung boxer from Chinese. And Carl Lok Cheng of Hong Kong, China against Dexter.
Round 4, last round.
Araya. Ayun, tumama na ng dalawang hagupit yung Chinese. Now. Ayun na. The Chinese did score a knockdown to start round number 4. Parang may iniinda si Dexter sa sa right shoulder niya. So we will see. Ayun na, naging aggressive na si Cheng. Oh, that left did connect for Cheng. obviously, to start round number 4. I think Cheng is winning this round so far. Malalaman natin if Dexter Araya has some more gasoline left on the tank. Kasi medyo dihado siya kasi knockdown siya dito sa start ng round number 4. Ayun, nakatama rin siya sa right to the body. Medyo ininda din ng Chinese yun. So, I think he must maximize that. Medyo kailangan punteriyahin niya rin yung bread basket ng Chinese. But so far, very confident na yung Chinese that coming in and trying to finish off Dexter Araya. Pero siguro hindi yun pababayaan na mangyari ni Dexter Araya. Of course, being a Filipino also, the warrior in him. Pero we'll see. 45 seconds left on round number 4, the final round. Oh, that right to the body connected by Araya. So far, yung second half ng round number 4, medyo nag-accelerate din yung Dexter Araya. Oh, that left jab did connect for Cheng. Pero ang lacking factor kasi yung knockdown ng round number 4. So, it would take a 10-8 Medyo malaki yun. So we'll see. End of
Rounds of boxing, we go to the scorecards. Antonio Comia scores about 40-35. Carlo Balayot scores about 39-36. And Architect Elmo scores about 40-35. All by unanimous decision, Carlo Cho.
Carlo